Here with some more tips on chicken and buying chicken, shopping, saving money, some things to look for, and even the price I paid here. So get cooking and have a great day. So when you're buying chicken, you go by sight, touch, smell. All these things are very important. I like to buy it when it's ice cold, not frozen, but this is actually fresh. It may have been flash frozen, it's hard to tell, but I like made in USA, 100% grown in USA. No artificial flavors. Subscribe right here. Search chicken on this channel. You'll find all kinds of recipes, tips, marinades. This one's going to be a lemon, oregano, garlic, balsamic marinade. It's going to be really good. So subscribe right here. Fresh lemon, but it's not quite ripe. Ripe lemon. Japanese knife. Paper thin slices. Check the sponsor. This is the titanium. Made in Japan. Kasumi titanium. Love it. Ergonomic, razor sharp. This one's been used over 10 years. Keeps going. The chicken. I'll let this marinate a few hours. Adding a little bit of extra lemon. Some slices are fine. Toss them right in. A little bit of zest. Oh yeah. Okay. This is several hours later. Chicken has been marinating. It's changed color. Picked up a lot of flavor and aroma. Always lift it up to your face. Give it a smell. And you'll get used to the correct ratio of the marinades. Here we go. This is going to get pan seared. Of course, this would be amazing on the grill. Finished chicken thighs. A little bit of this thickened sauce. Need salt. Oh yeah. The finished chicken. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Rice pilaf, sauteed spinach, mushrooms, garlic, and deglazed the sauce. Looking really good. Try out the recipe. Subscribe. Like and share. It helps other people find the channel. Get cooking and have a great day. It's going to be good. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. It's going to be good. Just leave a little bit off the neck here for fermentation, and also because every now and then you're going to give a little shake. You're going to tip it back and forth. You want those air bubbles to move around the seed specks, which you can already see are coming out of that vanilla bean. Wow, beautiful. Like I said, visit the sponsor, score the best beans you can get. They import them directly. Japanese knives, of course, are there as well. And yeah, the butcher block. Yeah. I use a clean white towel. Wipe off any excess oil that's there. This cutting board, like I said, is over 10 years old. A little bit of excess oil. It's over 10 years old and it's just going strong. Love it. So check out your sponsor. They got all these babies on sale. They ship for free. It's the best cutting board you can buy right there. Oh yeah. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax.